Y'all, we back again. You already know the vibes. Y'all see where we at? We at Wiki. Y'all know we about to get done. We about to get some work done, man. I know I'm looking like last video, but hey, I'm grinding. I'm pushing this content out. My boy MJ always looking out for me, man. Y'all make sure y'all come up here and holler at my boy MJ, man. You see him over there? We about to take this grill off. Hey, look, this is the new grill right here. New grill. And we got some seat covers. We about to put some seat covers on. So we working, about to get the grill put on, man. This shit about to be crazy. Got a BMW over here. Let y'all see this BMW too. M3 thing. Quad tips on it. It's going nice. Oh, we got a carbon front splitter on. My boy in the back, man. See him back there getting tents. This shit about to go crazy, bro. So, when we get the grill on, I'm gonna pick the video back up in a minute when we get the grill on. Let y'all see how it look. And I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Show y'all. This shit look crazy, bro. Yeah, it's bright as hell, too. Covers in. Put some seat covers in here. You know, let y'all see the seat covers. Put some seat covers in here, man. Not perfect, you know what I'm saying? But better than stock, bro. Better than what it was, bro. So the middle seat cover kind of don't really fit perfectly, but I mean it is what it is. Just to hold us over till we get like some leather seats or something, you know. Well, it look decent. Show y'all the front again. Front looks good. Front came out good. These look decent on the side. I'm gonna show y'all the lights again. Show y'all the lights with everything working. Show y'all, man. Let y'all see. About to get a wash too. Alright. Tough. Definitely fucking tough as hell. Hey, y'all get in the comments, let me know what y'all think about the grill. Me personally, I think the grill is hard. I think the grill is better than the original grill I had. I just wanted to give it like, you know, a little different look, you know what I'm saying? I'm always thinking of something different that I could do, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to just leave my shit just plain, so you know what I'm saying? Sometimes my imagination, my mind just be running and running, so I came up with this. I think it's hard. Crazy. Fucking with it. I got a few more things I'm gonna do to the truck. Then the truck will be done. The truck is definitely like 95% done right now, so a few more things I'm gonna do and then the truck will be done. We're gonna get it washed. Now I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, so we done, man. Everything is done on the truck for now. You know what I'm saying? This our first nice day in Michigan. It's like 50 degrees, so I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around of the truck, man. I'm gonna let y'all see the truck one more time, man, before we end the video. So I'm gonna let y'all see it. Ooh. Here we go. This motherfucker hard, bro. Hold on, let me try to fix the camera for y'all. Okay, there we go, there we go. This motherfucker crazy. Look at the grill. Get in the comments right now and let me know what y'all think about the grill. I think the grill made a big difference. Huge difference, you know what I'm saying? Because now it don't look just like a regular, you know what I'm saying? I feel like at first the grill was just too plain. Look at this motherfucker now. Woo! Look how the red coming out the rims. Y'all see y'all see where I was going with it? Red toe hook, red rims, red badges. Come on, man. Red YouTube. Come on now. I went crazy with this one. I'm talking about I went crazy. This is my best work yet. This is definitely my best work yet. No cap. Y'all see the red back there? Woo! This It's my best work yet. And I'm only gonna get better though. It's only gonna get better. I'm only gonna go harder. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm gonna build next, man. I gotta think. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, man. I'm gonna do something crazy though. You feel me? Just wanna let y'all see, man. I love that grill, man. Grill is hard as fuck. Can't cap. But yeah, listen. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Please make sure y'all subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10K subscribers this year. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to really just go up this year, man. That's my whole goal this year, is just to go up, push out really good content for y'all, you know what I'm saying? And just have fun, man. Hopefully, like I say, I win some trophies with the truck. If not, whatever. But make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit a like on this video, man. Share this video, you know what I'm saying? And really, for anybody that's watching this, I want to say this. If you got a vision, if you got a dream, anything that you want to do, pursue that shit, follow that shit. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't let nothing get in your way. Don't let nobody tell you that it ain't gonna work or that you ain't gonna be able to do it. Like, none of that. Don't listen to nobody. Always follow your first mind, follow your heart, put God first. If you put God first and you work hard, you can make anything happen. Like, anything, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm a living proof of that, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was a lot of shit that I used to dream about. It was a lot of shit that I used to fantasize about, like, damn, man, I want to do that. One day I want that to be me. And now I'm doing it. I'm living on my dream right now. I bought my dream car. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me with the 5.0, full boat on, E85, drag suspension, 24-inch 4Gs. Like, y'all seen me, I came from, it was silver, then y'all see me painted. Y'all see me on fucking 20-inch Mustang wheels. Y'all see me on 22-inch Zars, and y'all see me go to 24-inch 4Gs. Custom paint, y'all see me racing, all that, you know what I'm saying? Then I said I always wanted a Raptor, you know what I'm saying? So boom, I got this truck, and look what I did. Come on, man, stop playing. Stop playing. This, to me, this better than a Raptor to me. You know what I'm saying? I don't even, like, come on, man, I don't even know what to say. You feel me? Come on now. I snapped. This was my whole vision. This is all, you know what I'm saying? All my idea, all my vision, you feel me? But like I say, y'all, make sure y'all follow y'all dreams, man. Don't listen to what nobody say. Don't let no hating ass comments or nothing like that stop you from following your dreams. I'ma see y'all on the next video, man. I'm out.